We in there. YouTube. Welcome back, man. What is going on today with everyone, man? It is your boy, live, energetic, and feeling blessed, man. Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today, man. We got an unboxing video, man, and this one is something that your boy has been waiting on. It's kind of crazy because when these shoes were building up, they were getting ready to release and stuff, I was like, man, I'm gonna pass on those. I don't need them. I already have a shoe that is in a similar colorway, so you know I barely wear that shoe. So why do I need these shoes? But bruh, a day, 2 days before they release, I don't know, something just hit me. It said but your boy needed them after that, man, and then it didn't help at all. I started seeing people with reviews of them. Shout out to my bro Just for Kicks. He got a very dope reviewing on feet to these. If y'all haven't checked out the bro, man, make sure y'all check out Just for Kicks with the X at the end, man. Make sure y'all check him out, bro. He got a dope review to these. But yes, man, him as well as you know, a few other people, you know, brought these like to the center of my attention, and they were a must cop, man. So your boy had to go over to GOAT, pull that trigger on them, and they are here, man. So if y'all don't already know, man, whenever your boy has a shoebox up here, it kind of gives away, you know, what shoe, you know, I have. And of course, you know, y'all already see the vibe. So if y'all don't already know, man, y'all about to find out, man. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, bro. But hold on, I'm moving too fast, bro. Before I do that, if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor but y'all have not yet joined the family and became a part of the road to 50K, man, y'all wildin', man. But hey, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man. Hey, be a part of the family that we have, y'all. We are continually growing each and every day, man. I thank each and everyone for rocking out with the fam, man. The positive vibes, the feedback, commenting down below, man. Let me know all y'all thoughts. Look, y'all, I gotta clarify, I am just one person, man. So I thank y'all for bearing with me as far as getting back with y'all on the comments. But I promise, man, I'm gonna try to get back to each and every one of those comments, man. It's just that it be a lot going on between real life. You know, I gotta edit, I gotta record, I gotta whole bunch going on, but I will be answering those comments, man. So keep them coming, man. And yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and keep this thing rolling. But let's officially get into this unboxing, y'all. Let's do it. Bang! Yes, sir. Got that box right here, man. We about to get into it real quick though. This is bang, the shoe that I said was similar to this one in color. So I didn't really need this one, but nah, bro, I need them, bro. I need them, but these are dope, man. I still do have a review on the own feed coming for these, bro. Yes, I'm late, but trust me, it'll be worth the wait. But yeah, bro, got that package as I said, man. Let's go ahead and chop it open. Hope everybody having a great, blessed, and awesome day out there, man, from wherever y'all are at. Hit that like button for your boy, man, because look, y'all are alive, y'all are breathing, y'all are able to click on and watch this video, man. So click that like button, man. If y'all are in good spirits, let me know that everything is good with y'all. And let's go ahead and check them out, y'all. So as I did say, this was a pickup from GOAT. Your boy had to hit that instant ship. That's all I do, because I have no patience. I need them like now. So your boy hit the instant ship button on these, and I'm gonna show y'all the lid. Like I said, if y'all don't already know, hey, bang, wrong way, bang. You see it, man. We got that all white box right there. All white box, which is damaged, man. I hate having a damaged box, bro. Like, damn, bro, y'all couldn't take care of my box? Damn, man. They be saying, who care about the box, bro? If y'all don't know by now, I care about my boxes. But damn, bro, like, damn, GOAT. Y'all could have gave me a discount or something, bro. But look, man, we do have a damaged, like, damn, bro, severely damaged box. You see that big crease going down the front of the box, bro. This is horrible. And then we do got a slit right here at the bottom, bro. Like, bro, I need $100 back, man. But anyway, man, look, we do got that white lid with the Jumpman on it. That bright orange, laser orange, you know, Jumpman on the top of the lid. But the color blocking on this one, man, let's check it out. It reads Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro. The color blocking on this one is white, black, laser, orange. So this is a 10.5 women's, which is equivalent to a 9 in men's. So yeah, bro, that is the box. Got your GOAT sticker right there, and you already know what's in the box, man. Pulling back that lid, man, we do get, you know, a foreign. Look, all my shoes have been coming from way across that water, man, but they legit, you know. We do got that Nike sticker from, you know, from across the water, whatnot. But hold on, bang, here are the shoes. But before I get into this, I need to find my GOAT stuff. Like, shouldn't this package come with like GOAT stickers and stuff like that? Like, where my GOAT? Hold on, brother. Where is my GOAT stuff at? Cause this is not. That's weird. This is the first shoe that I have gotten that does not have any GOAT stuff inside of it. No GOAT information, man. That's crazy. But yeah, these were purchased from GOAT, but no GOAT stuff. But the box doesn't have any stickers or anything in it neither. So that's weird, bro. No lot number on my lid. So I might, I gotta ask around to some people that I know that have pairs to make sure that they're just looking like mine, because that's weird. I never have gotten a package from GOAT that didn't have, you know, my GOAT sticker or my verification card or anything like that. But y'all trying to play me, GOAT? Hey, bro. I ain't the right one. But bang, there we have them, y'all. We got the Air Jordan 3 laser orange. So these are dope, man. These are clean, man. I'm kinda, I don't know, bro. I need some answers, bro. But anyways, man, taking a quick look at them, bro. Got that bright laser orange on them. Your cement pattern, OG looking. Got that Air with that Jumpman on the back. Would have been a banger, a classic with that Nike Air on the back, but hey, I'll take this. This ain't bad at all. But you know, medial side, same thing. Your hits are orange, white, very, very plain, very simple shoe, but dope, bro. It's just clean. You know what I'm saying? So got your elephant print right there in the front. You know, decent leather quality. Well, it's actually pretty good leather quality on these, man. Pretty good leather on these, man. But you know, yellow behind that. You know, yellow on the inside on the insole. White interior. I don't really like this, but I mean, any other color wouldn't have been right, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna get kind of dirty. But you know, I'm gonna just be mindful of the socks that I wear when I do wear this. But yes, your boy had to pick up the Air Jordan 3 laser oranges. Bam. Let me know, bro. These were a lot limited than everybody expected, man. I know the bro, he got kicks, secured a pair off Sneakers app. A couple others hit on a pair, man. But yeah, man, these are dope, man. Like, I'm glad that I copped them when I did. I feel like the prices of these going to go up. They're gonna be just like the ones that you see up here, them UNC 3s. But yeah, bro, got that hang tag. You know, hey, these clean, bro. These clean, bro. So yeah, man, I'm happy I got them, man. The Air Jordan 3, bam, laser orange. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on them. Yellow Jumpman on the tongue, as you can see. But yeah, bro, we're gonna have that review on feet with lace swaps coming very soon, so stay tuned for that, man. Thank y'all for pulling up, man. And I gotta figure out why I ain't get my GOAT stuff and do a little legit checking. Anytime you buy a shoe from anywhere, make sure you do your own legit checks, bro, because you can't trust people out here, man. Like, just do your footwork. But that's it for this vid, man. Thank y'all again. Hit that like button for your boy, and y'all stay blessed, man. Your boy JD Sneaker Guys checking out with the laser orange 3s, man. So till my next one, I'm gone, man. Peace.
Yeah. Jada Sneaker Guy, Jada Sneaker Guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, 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 Jay the sneaker guy. Know what it be? YouTube family, it's all LUV. That's from me to you to me. Yeah.